Hello, you are welcome to today's lesson. My name is Harrison, and today I'm treating simultaneous equations involving fractions. We have two questions on the board. Let's start. The first one, 4 over x minus 1 over y equal to 17. Again, for the first one also, 2 over x plus 3 over y equal to 19. And then number 2, 2 over a plus 5 over b equal to 5. 1 over a minus 7 over b equal to 12. Solution. Okay. Number 1, 4 over x minus 1 over y equal to 17. I can rewrite this to be 4 bracket 1 over x minus 1 over y equal to 17. It's still the same thing. And then for the second one, I can rewrite the second one to be 2 brackets 1 over x plus 3 bracket 1 over y equal to 19. Now, in order to make it simple for us to solve, we are going to represent 1 over x and 1 over y by something. So let 1 over x equal to maybe v, y1 over y equal to w. And that means anywhere we see 1 over x, we write v. 1 over y, we write w. So going back, it means we have 4v minus w equal to 17. And call this equation 1, followed by 4v minus w equal to 17, and then followed by the other one is 2v plus 3w equal to 19. So let me be sure of the correction. Okay. So let's move on. We can now solve this. So for this one, let us make equation, let us make v to be the same by multiplying this by 1, and then again multiplying equation 2 by 2. That is, we multiply the whole of this by 1, multiply the whole of this by 2, so that we have 4. And then coming over here, we have 4v minus w is equal to 17, and then 4v plus 6w equal to 38. I have multiplied the whole of this by 2. Then we subtract. If you are subtracting, 4v minus 4v is 0. Then minus v minus 6, sorry, minus w minus 6w will give us minus 7w equal to, we have 17 minus 38. 17 minus 38, that's 38 minus 17. This is 1, and this is 2. That is minus 21. Minus 21. So that is minus 21. Therefore, W should be equal to minus 21 all over minus 7. We divide. And that means W is 3. So we have gotten our answer, W to be 3. Now, continuing, you substitute back in either equation 1 or 2. And if we put it in equation 1, from 1, we have 4v minus w equal to 17. Remember, we have our w to be 3. So we have 4v minus 3 equal to 17. We have to collect like terms, and that is 4v equal to 17 plus 3, which is 20. Therefore, v is equal to 20 over 4, and that is 5. So we now have v equal to 5, w equal to 3. And these are the answers to the questions. V equal to 5, w equal to 3. But we are going back to this place. Remember, what we are looking for is the values of x and y. So we can come back here. We have v is equal to 1 over x, which is equal to 5. You can call it 5 over 1. And that will lead us to 5x equal to 1. X is equal to 1 over 5. We have gotten our first answer. The other one, we have w equal to 1 over y, which is equal to 3 over 1. 3 over 1. And then when you work out, let me see, we have to come up here. So coming up here now, coming up there, we have w equal to 1 over y, which is equal to 3 over 1. Plus multiply, and that means that 3y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 over 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1 over 5 from here. Y is equal to 1 over 3. So we have succeeded in getting the two values of that's value of x and value of y. So now that's the end of that question 1. So we go over to question 2. We go over to question 2. Question 2, we have question 2, we have 2 over a plus 5 over b is equal to 5. And then again, 1 over a minus 7 over b is equal to 12. Again, let 1 over a equal to t, while 1 over b equal to u. And then rewriting the whole thing, we have 2 bracket 1 over A plus 5 bracket 1 over B is equal to 5. And then secondly, 1 over A minus 7 bracket 1 over B equal to 5. So call this equation 1, equation 2. Replacing it with what we have here, that means we are talking of 2t plus 5u is equal to 5. And then t minus 7u equal to 12. Please, this is 12, not 5. Okay. So from here, coming up, here, we write it out and solve. We have 2t plus 5u is equal to 5. T minus 7u equal to 12. Now, this one, question 1, question 2. Okay. So, if we move on, let me write it well so that it will be clearer. That's 2t plus 5u equal to 5. Then t minus 7u equal to 12. So, to continue, we have to make it, okay, we can make this to be the same. Multiply this by 1, multiply this by 2. That is equation 1 by 1, equation 2 by 2. So that we have 2. And that will give us 2t plus 2t plus 5u is equal to 5. Second one is 2t minus 14u is equal to 24. Please take note, you can either make this the same or this one the same. You can pick any of them. It will give you the same answer. So we have this, we subtract, this is 0, and then this we change this to plus, giving us a 19u. That is, this we change this to plus, that means it will now be 5u plus 14u, that's 19u. And this will now give us, when you are subtracting, 24 minus 5, and that's 19. And then this will give us minus 19. And if it is minus 19, it means that u is equal to minus 19 all over 19. And that is minus 1. That is minus 1. So, you substitute in either equation 1 or 2. Let us substitute in equation 2. From 2, we have t minus 7u is equal to 12. And that means t minus 7 bracket minus 1 is equal to 12. And that will give us t plus 7 equal to 12. Therefore, t is equal to 12 minus 7. That's okay. Then that will give us t will now be equal to 5. T will be equal to 5. So coming. Okay. T is equal to 5. Then we are going back. We are going back to this to find the values of A and B, because we are not looking for T and U. Rather, we are looking for values of A and B. So from there, we now have, therefore, T is our T is 5, YU is equal to -1. So we go back and substitute. And let's come here. And that means we are now going to have T is equal to 1 over A, which is equal to 5 over 1. And that will lead us to 5A equal to 1. Therefore, A is equal to 1 over 5. Again, U is equal to 1 over B, which is the same thing as -1 over 1, which means minus B is equal to 1. Therefore, B is equal to -1. So we continue, and that means we have, therefore, A is equal to 1 over 5, while B is equal to -1. These are the answers, and we have come to the end of that. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, you put it in the comment section, so that I'll look at it and then find solution to it in my next video. Thank you.